How to create Instagram group profiles. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can create Instagram group profiles. So just make sure to watch this video till the very end. If you'd like to actually go ahead and then create a profile photo for your Instagram group, it's very simple to do so. But first, you want to make sure that you are the administrator. Now, once you've created your group chat, go ahead and then open up the Instagram application and make sure that you're signed into your account. Then you want to tap on the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen and you'll come to this page. Over here, you simply want to search for the group name. So just go ahead and search for the group name over here. So you can see this specific group chat that which I'm also a member of. I created this group, and let's say now that I want to change the profile photo of this group. Well, in that case, what you have to do is first of all open the profile page by tapping on the icon at the very top, and you'll see all these options. And over here, you'll find the option called change group photo, which is right at the very top of the screen. So you just want to tap on it, and here you have two options. One is to choose from library, or one is to either take a photo right away. If you want to choose a one from your library, choose the option called choose from library, and here you simply want to select the group photo that you might want to use over here. And after you've done that, just tap on the check mark on the top right hand side of the screen, and as you can see, we have successfully changed and created a group profile photo. That's all it takes to create Instagram group profile photo. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.